What's up, fellow traders? It's Saturday. Friday was a rough day, but you had to expect that. I hope your stocks held up good. Mine did. Schwab actually ran in the morning. I really think brokerages like Schwab with their banks are going to emerge really strong out of this mess. I'm not saying they're not going to go lower. We're at a point right now where this like little bear market rally's got to kick in here pretty soon. As far as my trades, thank God I got out of MGM. That's what I start reevaluating like that when I'm not getting my bounces. I start selling my winners. It wasn't a big winner, but I made 8 to 10% on that trade, in a day again. And then look, I would have lost 30 on Friday. I still got my dry ships. I didn't add any more on Friday. But what I'm looking to do with my Disney right now is SSO is coming down. If we get a panic dip Monday, like a Black Monday morning, because I'm seeing the Dow kind of needs to dip down to 68 now, from this point before we bounce. It could bounce now because sometimes they don't give you that full retest that you're waiting for. That's why it's good to average in and build your positions, because you'll be waiting for this bottom here and then it never gets there, so you never get a substantial amount added to your trade, so you don't make nothing. But what I'm looking to do is, if we get a dip down on Monday, I want to take my shares of Disney and I want to swap them into SSO. If it gets under Disney, I'm only like 25 cents away pretty much right now. I did that 2 months ago with Microsoft and FCX. I was building a position in Microsoft. I tend to stick to those when I'm go from short to long to get the upside. I go long on with mother companies, ones that, if they fall down, like Microsoft, hardly falls, even though it has fallen from 20. I was into Microsoft at high 18s. They were down to 18, and then FCX canceled their dividend and came down to it was like 15.80. I remember swapping over. I got a $2 move into FCX. You got to spot those now. There's no time to think about it. Sure enough, look at Microsoft hasn't been out of the teens. They can't even get above 20. FCX is up in the 30s. Fighting 30. So that's my plan, to get a little more legs out of this rally. It's not that I don't like Disney. I'm just looking for, if the opportunity arises, I'm taking it. Next week's going to be interesting. I know I keep saying that, but just because we're right here, we're on the nut. We made a lower low. We definitely need to bounce. They're shaking the tree. They're going to run this up, and then people that aren't in are going to be too scared to buy because it ran up. Then they're going to run it up a little more. I've been there, done that. Been doing this for a lot of years, and that's what they do. They end up sucking you in up there around 9,000, and then the bear market returns, and then we go down, to 6,000. Let's get a little dip Monday now, add a little more, do a swap. I hope your positions are holding up like mine are, and good luck.